Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer Divan Sesuko. So on this video I'm going to show you guys how to save high quality image for your social media. So if you have been saving your image like this, just know that that's the wrong way. You get to your file and you select save as. So that's the wrong way to go about it. So just stick around. Let me show you the right way to save high quality image on your social media for your social media. Sorry. So what I'm going to do, I'll just head to my file. I will come right to where I have export. So once I get here, I'll now select the save for web. So once I click that, it's actually going to load and it's gonna show a screen like this. So just make sure you place this on optimize, or you can set it at 2 up. So on this video I'm going to use optimize. So after doing selecting optimize, you get to this and you make sure you select JPEG, or you select any file you want to save it to. But if you're posting on social media, make sure you select JPEG. So make sure the quality is at 100 and this should be at maximum. So and you take the optimized, make sure the blur is at 0. So you come right to the preview, make sure you set it to monitor color, so you can now see everywhere. So this place here actually determines the size of the image. If you want to reduce it, it's up to you, but I don't think you should. So you just come and set this quality to this, just to make your picture sharper. So once you're done with all this adjustment, then you're good to go. You just click on save, and after clicking on save, you just locate where you want to save the folder to. So after selecting, just click save. It's actually going to save. So that's the easiest way to save high quality image. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos coming up. But for now, bye.